Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can change the line indent for your documents on Microsoft Word. So let us dive into this right away. Alright guys, there are two different ways how you can do this. Let's say, for example, you have a Word document like that, and you may, for example, adjust or change the line indent for each line individually or apply it in the indent for the entire document. So let us go with the first option. Simply select the given line, and after that head over to the Home tab here, and here to the right you will see the paragraph section, and inside that you will see these two buttons or icons here, decrease indent and increase indent. So if you selected, for example, that line here, you may click on increase indent here, and that is going to increase the indent for the given line. And you may also apply this trick to the entire document by simply pressing Ctrl A on the keyboard, and that is going to apply the indent to the entire text, as you can see. So that's one option, guys. What you may do as well, you may go a bit more in depth here and apply a custom indent. To do that, switch from the Home tab to the Layout tab here, and inside the Layout tab you will see a paragraph section. So here you may apply a custom indent for each line, or if you select the entire text, to entire text. So let me go with the first line here for the sake of this tutorial. Here under indent, you may change the indent in centimeters to the left or to the right by clicking up or down here on these arrows, just like that, as you can see. That's how you can customize it. You may decrease the indent as much as that the line disappears here from that page. If you, for example, go with an indent of, let's say, -5 centimeters. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.